and entertainers. His theatrical productions were ephemeral and they linger only in sketches.
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
Oh my god, we should get out. Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah,
Oh my god, we should get out. Oh my god.
Pulled out the brick, two other guys came running from the corner of the house waving guns and badges.
Oh.
Danny took off on foot and lost them when he hid in the rafters of another half-finished house at the construction site. I saw them grab the coke. Danny
No, I just live here. I'm trying to tell him it's like a coincidence. Actually, I went to the because I go to the hospital a lot. But
What are you doing there, man?
I just kind of like
Against that, but
oh fuck!
well, congratulations, guys! I just saved our life.
Holy.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Get out the road.
Credit where credit is due. Tugging on this thread is the result of a post on r/Unity from a user named Zijit. I'll link to that down below. Tomar Barzeev is on the board of directors at Unity, but he is also the
John Ratzenberger burn, or like, who are we burning? Today's exercise. I'll throw a rock.
okay.
Yeah.
Good thing.
I had Toy Story at 3 in Blockbuster, and I did not think landing the 6th pick.
Did you think I was gonna take Toy Story?
Blockbuster
I
is getting thinner.
Like I said.
I feel like I wrote them down to be better, but either way, this is a fun little thing. And it seemed right up your alley with music and friends. That was a great one. Alright, my final thought. I'm gonna...
Khan Yunis, this big city in the south of the Gaza Strip.
What the fuck?
People have been going back trying to find about 2,000 people who are thought to be missing, mostly under the rubble.
It's going like already. Yeah, when you do that, you take people's fucking, like, you're taking their lane, you asshole. Too slow.
Nor granted his second time out. It sounded like, based on the report, was too late. 76ers icon Charles Barkley and fellow Hall of Famer Shaquille O'Neal on TNT yesterday think these type of reports are pointless.
Election, and they zapped it back into life by alleging that there was a campaign finance violation under the federal laws that doesn't exist.
Không cần phải trả tiền agent, tôi có thể mua nhà for sale by owner. Những người nói như vậy là những người người ta có kinh nghiệm, người ta có kiến thức, người ta có khả năng đọc hiểu tiếng Anh về những cái từ chuyên môn về real estate.
And the radiator for it, I don't think is getting enough airflow. This fucking shit. Why did he keep going?
What the hell?